Millions are already using a secret weapon to finish work faster, Microsoft Copilot. It's an AI assistant built into your computer, ready to help with emails, presentations, and more. Imagine a super smart intern who never gets tired and always knows what to do. From students to CEOs, Copilot is quietly changing the game. It's like having a cheat code for your daily life. Most people don't even realize it's there. Copilot helps you tackle boring tasks, brainstorm ideas, and find information in seconds. It's not just about speed, it's about working smarter and being more creative. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by your to-do list, pay attention. We're about to show you how Copilot is making life easier for millions. Let's break down what it is, how it works, and why you'll want to use it. Ready to unlock your secret weapon? So, what is Microsoft Copilot? It's your personal AI assistant for the digital world. Copilot is an expert in writing, math, art, coding, basically everything. Stuck on an email or a report, just ask, and Copilot does it for you. It's powered by a large language model, trained on massive amounts of data, so it understands context and tone. Copilot is built right into Windows, Edge, and Microsoft 365 apps like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. No need to open a new app, it's always there, ready to help. In Word, ask Copilot to write an essay intro. In Excel, have it analyze data and make charts. Unlike a search engine, Copilot gives you ready-to-use answers and even creates new content. It's a partner that helps you think, create, and get things done faster and smarter. Copilot isn't just a tool, it's your co-pilot for the digital journey. Let's see what it can actually do. Here's what Copilot can do for you. First, it's a master writer. Need a cover letter or a poem? Just tell Copilot what you want, and it drafts it instantly. You can tweak the tone or length with a simple command. Next, it's a data analyst. In Excel, ask questions in plain language. Copilot finds answers and creates charts. No formulas needed. Copilot is also an artist. Describe an image and it generates custom graphics for presentations or social media. It's perfect for bringing creative ideas to life. Finally, Copilot is a super summarizer. Paste a long article or email thread and it gives you the key points in seconds. It cuts through information overload so you can focus on what matters. Whether you need to write, analyze, create, or summarize, Copilot is your all-in-one productivity partner. It's like having a writer, analyst, artist, and researcher all in one. No more staring at blank screens or drowning in data. Copilot makes every task easier. Let's see how it feels to work with an AI sidekick. Think of Copilot as your most reliable friend, always ready to help, never judging. It listens, understands context, and adapts to your needs. Ask a vague question, and Copilot figures out what you mean. Need an email to sound friendlier? Just say so, and it adjusts instantly. Copilot can explain its answers, making it a patient tutor for learning new things. The more you use it, the better it gets at helping you. Prefer bullet points? Copilot remembers your style within a session. It handles the boring parts, so you can focus on the creative and strategic work. You're still in control. Copilot just makes everything smoother. It's the ultimate team-up, your creativity, Copilot's power. Ready to see how smart your new friend really is? Copilot isn't just for work, it's your life assistant. Planning a party? Ask Copilot for a checklist, invitation text, and recipes. It delivers in seconds. Traveling abroad? Copilot translates phrases and even shows you how to say them. Want to start a balcony garden? Copilot gives you a custom planting guide for your city. It helps you explore new hobbies, solve real problems, and even write blog posts about your adventures. Copilot understands context and combines information to create personalized solutions. It's not just smart, it's practical, creative, and always ready to help. AI isn't some distant future. Copilot is here, making life easier right now. Next time you're stuck or curious, ask Copilot. You might be surprised at what it can do. Go ahead, try something new with your AI Copilot.